Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The structure contains A, C is equal to O, Br group, which is an acyl halide, acid bromide. IUPAC nomenclature for acyl halides uses the suffix ovyl halide derived from the parent carboxylic acid. Moving on to the next step. The carbon chain including the carbonyl carbon is C is equal to O, Br, CH2, CH, CH3, CH3. Counting the carbonyl carbon, the longest chain containing the acyl group has 4 carbons, butanol. The parent acid would be butanoic acid, so the base name is butanol bromide. Moving on to the next step. In acyl halides, the carbonyl carbon is always C1. So numbering from the carbonyl end, C1 is equal to C, is equal to O, Br, C2 is equal to CH2, C3 is equal to CH, CH3, C4 is equal to CH3. And for the final step, there is a methyl branch at C3. 3-methylbutanol bromide. A 2-methylbutanol bromide would place the methyl at C2, which is incorrect since CH2 at C2 has no substituent. B 2-methylbutan 4-ovyl bromide is not valid. IUPAC nomenclature. The carbonyl carbon in acyl halides is always C1 by definition. C 1-bromo 3-methylbutanone treats the compound as a haloketone, which is incorrect. The C is equal to O, Br is an acyl bromide, not a bromoketone. D 3-methylbutanol bromide correctly names the compound with the methyl substituent at C3 of the butanol chain. Therefore, the correct answer is D. Therefore, the correct answer is option D.